So we have this question. So in this part, you may observe that, sir, this is integration of irrational function, correct? And this is given in the form of linear root linear, correct? So while handling these kind of questions, you know that we used to take L as z square. But which L? The root wala. Okay, you should not get confused with this part, that this L can be this. Okay, why I did this? Because I want to get rid of this root as well. Okay, so the linear component which is written inside the root, that thing will be treated as z square. So we have 4x plus 3 equals z square. After taking z, you know that we will go with the differentiation. So differentiation of 4x is 4 and differentiation of z square is 2z dz by dx. You can simplify things and we will be having dx as z dz by 2. Comfortable? Now just do the simplification. Now we will simplify the given question. Now look at this. Can I replace dx with z times dz by 1 by 2? Okay. Now look at this. You have 1 plus x. Okay. So can I write 1 plus x as, look, I have to create 1 plus x. So can I write x as, wait a moment, I will be writing x as z square minus 3 by 4. Okay, so this is your x plus 1. Okay, and then we have that thing as z square. So z square root will become what? Z. Okay, so this z and this z can be neutralized and we will be left with dz by, this is z square minus 3 plus 4, and then that 4, the denominator 4 will go to the numerator. So can we write this thing as 4 by 2, that is 2 integration of dz by z square plus 1 square. Now this is something square plus something square without root in the denominator. So do you think you guys are comfortable? Yes, we are comfortable. And this reminds you of tan inverse x by a. So can I write 1 by a? If it is comfortable, it is 1 by a. If it is not comfortable, then 1 by 2a. So here we are comfortable. So you will be writing 1 by a is 1. And then tan inverse x by a. So here x is z, a is 1, plus integration constant c. Now you have to answer this question in terms of x, not z. So can I write 2 times tan inverse, who is z? Z was root L, है ना? So who is root L? So root 4x plus 3 with integrating constant c. I hope this question is clear and now you can handle similar situations. For time being, look at this question. Again it is linear, root linear, है ना? Linear, root linear. You know that while handling these kind of questions, the root, the linear which is written inside the root, we used to take that thing as z square. Then we used to differentiate things. So differentiation of x is 1. So this is 2z dz by dx. So can I write dx as 2z dz? Now you can manipulate things. So in place of dx, I will be writing 2z dz. Now, who is x plus 2? X plus 2. So look at this. Can I add both sides 1? So we will have z square plus 1. Then you will get x plus 2. And then who is this root x plus 1? So x plus 1 is z square. So root is x plus 1 is z square. So root z square will become z. So this thing gone. Same scenario. So it is 2. Again it is integration of dz by z square plus 1 square. You know that we are comfortable. So it is 1 by a and then tan inverse x by a plus c. So who is this z? Z is tan inverse z is root over x plus 1 plus c. I hope now if you will face 1 by L, root L means linear, root linear, you can handle accordingly. Okay.